I'ma be a bitch for life. If they try you, they got to die. Baby, put one in the sky. When we got that can't deny.
Hey guys, so I just want to first start off apologizing because I have not posted any videos. The reason for that was I was in Colombia. I just got back 3 days ago. Today's video is gonna be about me unboxing my monthly package of Boxy Charm. This one is not like the other ones though. This one is Boxy Charm Luxe, so it's like huge, as you can see, and I am very hype about this one because since I've been in Colombia and I haven't really been seeing my notifications of Boxy Charm, so I don't know what is in here. I'm totally clueless of what I'm going to have in this box. I'm probably familiar with like 2 or 3 items that are in here, so let's go ahead and see what my Christmas is looking like. Okay, and also side note before I start the unboxing, I don't have any makeup on because I'm going to see what Boxy Charm brings and do a separate video using the Boxy Charm products. Alright, so let's get to it. What we first see is this right here, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. Okay, see Sun Boxyluxe. So this is really cute. Alright, so the first thing I see here is like a little bag. Glam AF because facts. Okay, so it looks like it's a phone charger. Oh my god, this is really cute. So there is a charger in here. It is a phone charger. I don't know what type of charger it is, but it does bring an Android charger. Let me see. Okay, so that's our first product. Okay, so the charger it says it's a dual charger connector, and it's for Android and iPhone. I don't know if you guys can like, it just doesn't focus. But, okay, the second item we're gonna have here is a translucent powder. Alright, so the Pretty Vulgar powder is a matte powder and it's translucent. I'm so glad I got this because I needed a setting powder. This is a body wash sponge. Alright, so that's how it looks like, and inside we find, oh, this is really cute, a little star. It's a sponge. Smells really good, actually. All right, let's see what else. Oh, an eyeshadow palette. Suva Beauty. So this is from Suva Beauty. It is cruelty free, so that's good. What? There's more in here. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 products. Alright, we have Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for fine lines and wrinkles. It brings Padina Pavo, I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not even gonna try. Rose, Mimosa, and firm, smooths, and hydrates. So you apply this every morning on a clean, dry skin. Let's open it, see how that looks. It's not focusing. Next item in here is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. One of my favorite brands is actually Tarte, especially like on lipsticks and lip glosses. This is, I don't know if you could see that, it's glittery, it is shimmery. See if I could do a swatch and get it to focus. See if we could get this to focus. So I don't know if you can see, it is a gloss, but it does have shimmer in it. So, and now we have the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. So this is the kind of wand it brings. It's a almost one of the common ones. It's a common wand. I really wanted to try this one, so I'm glad I got it. When I was working at Sephora, they sold this one there, and for some reason I never bought it, but I was very intrigued. So now I can try it. Now we have Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow. That just sounds so beautiful. Open this. So, come here. I can't open it. There you go. Come to mama. Mama's been waiting for you. Oh my god. So just look at this beauty. This, you know what? I'm not even mad that it took me 5 minutes to open this, because it's just so worth it. Let's see. Oh my goodness. And it has a big mirror. Look at that. Oh, these are like neutrals. Oh my god. So there is matte and there is also shimmer eyeshadows. This is really nice. You know what? if I have to struggle 5 to 10 minutes to open this, well, guess what? I'm gonna struggle 5 to 10 minutes. And last product in here is a LUXIE complete face set. This is so cute. I didn't know I was getting this. Oh my god. So we have a round top blender. I don't know if you can see that. A round top blender, tapered highlighting brush, pro precision brush, a tapered blending brush, eye shading brush, flat definer brush, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So on my, I think it was October box, I got the LUXIE brushes. Oh no, was it? No, it was my November box. I got 4 of these, which are LUXIE as well, and they were really good. They are really good brushes. They're really soft and gentle. So I'm expecting these to be the same. Of course. Oh my god. So yes. Oh my god, look at this lip brush. So it comes like that, and you just open it. Bam. Your own brush. You just put it back in there. Boom. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so this is it for our Boxyluxe for the month of December 2018, because obviously it's 2018. I mean, come on. Yeah guys, so I am so excited. I got to upgrade to the Boxyluxe instead of getting my regular small box. This one is actually like twice the size. This happens every 3 months. I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna say that just like brief information, because I have said like the information on my previous 2 videos, but yeah, so for the Boxyluxe is every 3 months, and you pay $28.99 more, so you pay your $21 plus your $28.99, I believe. If you want to know more about how this works, how Boxyluxe works, go check out one of my other 2 videos where I explain exactly how it works. For whoever has not upgraded, yes, it is totally worth it to upgrade. Totally worth it. Okay guys, so I will be using these products to go ahead and film another video. So just check it out when it's up on my channel. Hopefully I could have both of these videos edited this week, and I could post them. What else guys? Go ahead and subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you guys can know when I upload a new video. Comment down below. Go ahead and give me ideas. Tell me if you like my video or not. If you have any suggestions of what I should do, what I should talk about, another video. If you want to get to know me better and you have questions, just go ahead, write it down below. And also give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. I will link my Facebook and Instagram down below. I do have Twitter, but I don't really use it, so I I don't know if I would start using it or not. If I do, I will also link it down below in another video. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys like the Boxyluxe reveal. Love you guys and happy holidays. Merry Christmas for everybody.